termites are the living nightmare of many homeowners, especially because of the high cost of treatments. Can something as simple as orange oil really be the solution? If you are not yet aware, termites are not only a nuisance, but they can cause serious structural damage to your home. In fact, termite infestations cost homeowners billions of dollars each year in America. These insects eat wood and can weaken the structural integrity of your home, causing walls to sag and even collapse. Obviously, this is bad news for the people living in the home. So, what about orange oil? Is it a magical, all-natural solution, or a complete waste of money? This natural pesticide is derived from the peel of the orange and is known to be effective against termites. Which is great, but for termites, effectiveness is not enough. Orange oil is a contact killer, meaning it only kills the termites it comes into contact with. It doesn't have a residual effect, meaning it won't continue to kill termites after it's been applied. And it also doesn't penetrate deep into the wood, so it's not able to reach all of the termites that may be hiding inside. So while orange oil can be an effective pesticide, it's not the best option for a DIY termite treatment. This is because to stop a termite infestation, you have to destroy the colony. As long as the queen lives, the colony will keep growing, no matter how many termites you kill. But can orange oil destroy a termite colony? Yes and no. If you are dealing with damp wood or drywood termites, it is possible. However, you would need to figure out exactly where the center of the colony is, and it could be literally anywhere. Then, you would need specialized equipment to pump orange oil in large quantities into the colony and basically drown the termites in it. Some pest control companies offer just that, and in many cases, this can be the best treatment. Especially small colonies are somewhat easy to wipe out with a direct application of pesticides. But if you don't have the necessary experience and equipment, you will not be able to perform an effective treatment with orange oil. Instead, we recommend a bait trap system. Termite bait traps are also pesticides, but instead of immediately killing termites, they are poisoned slowly. They bring the poisoned food back to the colony, where the poison will be spread. According to studies, even established colonies can be completely wiped out within weeks with the use of a termite bait system. These are commonly used against subterranean termites, but can work against any species. So, let's sum this up. Orange oil is an effective and deadly contact pesticide. It does kill termites, but it does not stop the infestation. This means it's ultimately useless in the fight against a termite infestation. If you are set on a DIY approach, you can try a bait trap, but we recommend always calling in professional help if you suspect a termite infestation. They are simply too dangerous to try amateur methods. In the end, professional treatment is not only the fastest, but far cheaper than letting termites destroy your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more pest control tips and tricks.